Imagine this, you take a sip of your favorite coffee, but instead of enjoying its comforting warmth, your tongue feels like it is on fire. Or maybe you have noticed a nagging pain on one side of your tongue that just won't go away. These sensations can be more than minor annoyances, they are often your body's way of waving a red flag, signaling that something might not be right. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of tongue pain and sensitivity, what causes these symptoms, how they relate to your overall health, and the practical steps you can take to address them. Let us decode what your tongue is trying to tell you. Let us start with one of the most common complaints, a burning sensation on the tongue. This feeling is often described as if you have scalded your tongue on hot tea, but in many cases there is no obvious reason. So, what is really going on? One of the primary culprits is burning mouth syndrome (BMS). This mysterious condition creates a persistent burning or tingling feelings even though your tongue looks completely normal. The exact cause of BMS isn't fully understood, but research suggests that it is often linked to nutritional deficiencies, especially a lack of vitamin B12, iron, or folic acid. These nutrients are critical for maintaining healthy nerves, and when they are deficient, the delicate nerves in your mouth can start sending false pain signals. Another significant cause is hormonal changes. Women going through menopause often report this symptom, likely due to fluctuating estrogen levels affecting nerve sensitivity. Acid reflux is another major player. When stomach acid flows back into the esophagus and mouth, it can irritate the tissue on your tongue, creating that burning sensation. Interestingly, this often occurs at night or after eating spicy or acidic foods. Certain medications can also play a role. Drugs like antidepressants, blood pressure medications, or even chemotherapy agents often list burning tongue as a side effect. If this sensation coincides with starting a new medication, it is worth discussing with your doctor. Lastly, let us not forget allergies. Ingredients in toothpaste, mouthwash, or even dental materials can irritate sensitive mouths. If you suspect this, try switching to hypoallergic oral care products and see if it helps. Here is a quick tip. If you are dealing with a burning tongue, stay hydrated, avoid spicy or acidic foods, and try sipping on cold water to soothe the discomfort temporarily. Now let us talk about tongue pain, when the discomfort is localized rather than widespread. This type of pain often feels sharper and more specific, which can make it easier to identify the root cause. One of the most common reasons is canker sores. These small painful ulcers can appear on your tongue due to stress, accidental bites, or even certain foods like citrus or tomatoes. While they usually heal on their own, recurring or unusually large sores might signal an underlying problem such as vitamin deficiencies or autoimmune diseases. Next, we have oral infections. One example is oral thrush caused by an overgrowth of the fungus Candida albicans. This condition is often recognizable by the white patches on the tongue accompanied by soreness. Another common infection is the herpes simplex virus, which can cause painful blisters or sores on the tongue, especially during times of stress or a weakened immune system. Systemic diseases like diabetes can also contribute to tongue pain. High blood sugar levels make the mouth more prone to infections, leading to discomfort and even inflammation of the tongue. Another condition to be aware of is glossitis or inflammation of the tongue. This can result from allergic reactions, infections, or nutritional deficiencies, and it often presents as a swollen, red, and smooth tongue. Lastly, though rare, persistent tongue pain accompanied by red or white patches or lumps could be a sign of oral cancer. If you notice these symptoms, seek medical attention immediately for a thorough evaluation. Let us take a closer look at the science. Why does a lack of vitamin B12, for example, causes burning sensations? It all comes down to the health of your nerves. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of myelin, a protective sheath around your nerves. Without it, your nerves can become damaged, leading to the tingling or burning feelings often experienced in the mouth. Similarly, acid reflux not only brings stomach acid into your mouth but also weakens the protective lining of your tongue, making it more susceptible to irritation. Understanding these mechanisms help us appreciate how even minor imbalances in the body can have noticeable effects. If you are dealing with tongue pain or sensitivity, here are some simple yet effective steps you can take. Number 1 is improve oral hygiene. Gently clean your tongue daily with a soft bristled toothbrush or a tongue scraper. This helps remove bacteria and debris that can cause irritation. Second is stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to prevent a dry mouth which can exacerbate discomfort. Third, boost your nutrition. Include foods rich in vitamin B12, iron, and folic acid. Think leafy greens, lean meats, and fortified cereals. Fourth, limit irritants. Avoid smoking, excessive alcohol, and spicy or acidic foods that can inflame the tongue. Fifth, manage stress. High stress can exacerbate conditions like canker sores and herpes outbreaks. So consider incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga into your routine. If your symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks or worsen, consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis. Your tongue is an amazing communicator for your health. It might seem small, but it has a lot to say about what is happening inside your body. By paying attention to its signals, you can catch potential health issues early and take control of your well-being. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And here is the question for you. Have you ever experienced tongue pain or sensitivity? What worked for you? Let us know in the comments below. Your story could help someone else. Until next time, take care of your health and remember, your tongue might just be the key to unlocking hidden health secrets. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.